So in this problem here, we're going to take the derivative of this particular function. And when I take the derivative ln, it's 1 over tangent x times the derivative of tangent x, which is 1 over cosine squared x. Okay, and so if I simplify this, I know that 1 over tangent x is sine x over cosine x times 1 over cosine squared x. This part here, I have to flip the fraction. It says cosine x over sine x times 1 over cosine squared. And so then I can cancel out a cosine with a squared here. And I end up with 1 over sine x cos x. Now this is a different answer than what they have in the back of the book, but this is what it should be